Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can delete all your Snapchat memories in a single click. So for that just open your Snapchat app on Snapchat account and go to your camera option. When you go camera option you can see at the left side there is a gallery option. Just click on this gallery option and now you are on your memories section. Now at your memory section you can see all your memories are here. Now how will you delete all your memories in a single click? All your videos, all your snaps, everything will be deleted in a single click. For that just click on at the top right side you can see there is a click both option. Just simply click on this. Now select all your memories. Simply click on select all and you can see your all memories, all snaps has been selected. Now at the bottom you can see the option called more. Just simply click on more and now there is an option called delete. Simply click on delete and now remove snaps. Just confirm and click on delete and all your snaps will be deleted. All your memories will be deleted from your Snapchat account in a single click. So this is the way you can delete all your memories in a single click.